Alright guys, I just got done to pressure washing this driveway. As you can see, pavers now is wider and cleaner. And by the way, FYI, I did this with my pressure washing wand because my surface cleaner malfunction, acting like crazy and it doesn't spin. So great that I had my traditional pressure washing wand that I could use this. But turned out well. You can see here, it looks great now. And homeowner pretty much that like it. But there's some spot that's not coming off really. Okay, that one there. So then come off. And some oil, I think, some oil spot that come off. Of course, I don't have that degreaser on. So. And around here, it did not come off. I don't know what this is. Probably some paint before, but around here, in this side finally went off. So. But it went well. Thank you for watching.